Hey, welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the NX-01 Enterprise build. So I'm going to take you through the what I got done today, because I've done all the detail painting I can do. I installed the bridge dome. Now for the NX refit, it stays that kind of grayish color. It doesn't get colored. For the sensor dome, I had to color it white after I put it in, because of the glue. And of course I'll be using a toothpick for those windows. Maybe I'll make them white, maybe I won't. So basically that's all I've done for the main saucer. Okay, let's see here. We've got the antennae for the there we go, for the sensor dish, which is 38, and then the warp nacelle, I did them antique gold. Number 1, because I didn't have titanium gold except in a spray can, and number 2, because I want to have antique gold somewhere for Star Trek 50 years. Did the deflector dish in the regular copper. See that here. There you go. Okay. I also did the saucer deflector dishes of both the Enterprise and the Columbia, both on the front and the back. Of course, might have to be touched up a bit. I did also the aluminum or steel on the top of parts, what is that? Oh, 22B and 22A. There you go, by my thumb. And of course, the deflector dish antennae for the saucer. Yes. And that's all I colored there. Then you have the other parts. Let's see. I did the green for the refit. Oh, turn it this way. Did the green for the refit on parts 103. Did the green for 101, 2 of them. Important. Like, those are the starboard lights. There's the port lights. Yes, they can be touched up if necessary. Nothing else for that one. Okay, then I did some spray painting. So first, I spray painted with a Tamiya Cobalt Blue the saucer's impulse engines. 1 and 2. Now I can see how I'm probably going to have to do the housing in some other color, maybe medium gray. And of course I also spray painted the nacelle dome that'll have the antennae. So this one and that one. Good. Okay. And you can see how I've labeled the instruction guide accordingly, what I've spray painted, what I've hand painted. So if you look over here, you will see the clear parts, the clear blue parts for the nacelles. I did both sides. I figured it was better. And of course then you have the didn't have a spray can in steel, but I had aluminum, so I substituted that for the nacelle grills, both sides again. So let's see, that's what I did. And of course, as you can see here, you can see what I've assembled. You can see what's been hand painted. Then you can see I went by the refit, of course. So what's been spray painted. That's about it. Of course, as you can see, I did the refit here. You see the detail painting that still needs to be done. But I'm going to wait until I assemble everything. And then I'll come back once I've assembled everything and we'll see how it looks. A lot of the parts should be dry enough to do that now. So talk to you all later.